my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to play Heart of Gold by Neil Young. Let's get right to it. The intro to this song is so famous, we call it the Heart of Gold riff. Everybody knows how to do it. Let me show you how to do it. Super easy riff here. Okay, grab an E minor chord. I'll put it right here on the screen so you can see. Hold that E minor chord. The first thing you do is take your pick, hit the 6th string, and then strum the chord 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All downstrokes. Okay, so your E minor is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now you need to quickly jump to a D chord. You're going to hit that twice, kind of with this rhythm. 2 downstrokes again. And then you need to jump very quickly back to your E minor chord and hit a downstroke. Okay, let me do it in sequence here. I'll do it slowly. So it sounds like this. Bass, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, D, D, E minor. Do it with me. Okay, let's do it real slow. Ready, play it. Bass, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, D, D, E minor. Okay, nice. Now at the end of the riff, he does this really cool little thing. It's pretty common. On your 5th string, hit your open 5th string with the pick. Now with your middle finger on your left hand, your 2nd finger, hammer the 2nd fret, just slam it down. Okay, so again. And then on your 4th string, play the open 4th string, and then pick the 2nd fret of the 4th string. Okay, read the tab right there, you can see it. Okay, so that last little part is hammer, pick, pick, hammer, pick, pick. Okay, here's the whole thing in sequence. Bass, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, D, D, E minor, hammer, pick, pick, bass, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, D, D, E minor, hammer, pick, pick. Okay, do it with me, right? I'll go real slow. Ready, play it, bass, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, D, D, E minor, hammer, pick, pick, bass, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, D, D, E minor, hammer, pick, pick. Okay, that's the Heart of Gold riff. That's the intro to the song. That also happens later in the song when he does the outro, which we'll talk about in a minute. Okay, now the verses of the song, where he's kind of telling the story, follows this very simple chord progression. I'll put it there on the screen. It sounds like this. That's the verse. It's a very, very simple thing to play. Okay, we got 4 chords. We've got our E minor. Play that with me. Okay, jump to your C chord. Play that with me. Jump to your D chord, and then jump to your G chord. Okay, now the strumming of this can be a number of things really, but this is what I like to do. So it sounds something like this. Fundamentally, each chord is just getting 2 beats, but we can do a little filler there at the end. So go like, the rhythm that I recommend is this. Down, 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 up. That's all. Just down, 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 up. Okay, and then you have to jump quickly and do the same. Down, 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 D chord, down, 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 G chord, down, down, down. Okay, so try it with me. Okay, let's do it slowly. Okay, ready, play it. Down, 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 down. Almost missed my G chord there at the end. Okay, so that's how you play the verses of the song. It's really just E minor, C, D to G. Okay, the last thing we really need to talk about is the chorus. The chorus of the song uses those same chords. It has this little melody at the end, which is kind of cool, which I'll show you how to do. Okay, the chorus where he says, keep me searching for heart of gold, he goes like this. So that's what it sounds like. So grab your E minor chord. Okay, we're going to stay on that for about 4 beats. We can do kind of, I didn't really do it right now, but we can kind of do that same rhythm. Down, 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 twice, G. Okay, now when you get to your C chord, he does something kind of neat here, a little rhythmic element here. Go like this. Hit it twice down. pause, and then hit it again. Okay, so it sounds like this. Down, down, down. Okay, and then on your 5th string, go like this. 3rd fret, 2nd fret, open 5, and then hit a G chord. Okay, so that's 3, 2, 0, G. Okay, so your whole chorus again is, so keep me searching for a heart. That's pretty much the song there. Those are really the only parts that happen in the tune. Okay, the outro of the song is really the same as the intro, where he's saying, keep me searching for a heart of gold. Okay, so he goes like this. So he goes, keep me searching for a heart of gold. Keep me searching and I'm growing old. Then he goes, keep me searching for a heart of gold. And then it's just the chorus. Okay, so you do the intro a couple of times, and then you play the chorus one time, and that's the entire song. Okay, play along with me, okay? Go back and study those parts, and then when you come back to this part of the video, it's marked in a chapter, so you can find it. Play with me. Let's play not the whole song, but let's play the intro, then let's play a verse, and let's play a chorus. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, and 4, and intro. Heart of Gold by Neil Young. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I'd appreciate it if you would like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.